Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about the Thylstrup and Fejerkov's index. So there are around 8 findings, and we should be clear as to what we see in all of the things, all of the gradings. So first of all, starting from the 0, as you can see, 0 means that it is normal. So it has normal translucency of glossy, creamy, creamy white enamel after wiping and drying the surface. So for this index, I want you to see this photograph and these both photographs for every single score. Okay, so then only you'll be able to remember as to what we are looking for. Now look at this one and look at 0 and look at 1. So you see certain opaque lines, right? White opaque lines like this, and then you can also see some little snow capping at the edges. So that's the change that you'll observe in this one. So here we will see thin white opaque lines and snow capping and incisal edges. Okay, now let's talk about the second one. Now see, here you had certain like nice lines. Now here what you will see is there will be small cloudy areas, right? So you will see small cloudy areas, and obviously you can see snow capping, and the lines have gotten more prominent. So prominent opaque lines. Alright, now let's go to the third one. Now see here the difference. Now here what happens is we observe that the white lines, they have merged. So white lines merge. There are cloudy areas, like you can see cloudy areas spread around. Then look at the fourth one. Now this is like completely white, right? So this is chalky white appearance. So I'll just write it here. So you can see chalky white appearance, and the entire tooth surface has enamel hypoplasia. Okay, now let's talk about the fifth one. Now in this, what you see is that there is the entire surface is opaque, right? So entire surface is opaque, and there are round pits, these ones, and they are less than 2 mm in diameter. Now let's talk about the sixth. Now in this one you see that the small pits, they merge, okay, and they have less than 2 mm vertical height. Okay, and one more change, look at here, you will see that the surface enamel is chipped off, but the change is less than 2 mm. Now look at seventh one. Now in seventh you can observe that the chipping of the enamel at the incisal edges more. So in this you will see that less than half of tooth surface is involved, and there is loss of outermost enamel in irregular areas. Okay, now in 8 and 9 the difference is just between how much enamel is lost. Now in this, more than half enamel is lost, and over here loss of major part of enamel, plus there is change in anatomic shape of tooth, and most important point is that is you can see the cervical rim of opaque enamel. Okay, so this covers the Thylstrup and Fejerkov's index. Now here you have to know that there are just two questions, very like general questions that come. So first of all, you should know that this gives us a histological aspect. Okay, and it is the most sensitive index for fluorosis. Okay, yep. So this completes the Thylstrup Fejerkov index. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like, share, subscribe, and comment also. Thanks for watching.